Aloha all, Jackie here. Thanks for joining me today in creating a card using Stampin' Up's cling stamp set, textured notes, and the photopolymer stamp set, layered thoughts. And this is $1 million stamp set from Barb Brumho. We're using, let me see, what paper is this? We're using the Woven Texture Designer Series paper, number 165560. Love this paper pack. I love this one here. Here's the print, double-sided paper. Love it. This is cut at 2 inches by 4 inches. Oh, sorry, no. This is 2 inches by 3 3/4. This is 4 by 5 1/4. This is basic white, cut at 4 by 5 1/4. This is for layering. This is cut 2 1/4 by 4 inches. And this is our card base, cut at 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 5 1/2. And let's go ahead and burnish our folds. It's a quick and easy birthday card. Let's go ahead and put our paper on the top of our card. Then we'll stamp on these, and I'll go ahead and stamp happy birthday and early espresso. Perfect. And I shouldn't have put this on here. I actually wanted to go ahead and put some leaves on here. But it's okay. Just like that. Oh no, I am gonna still need that. I'm taking pecan pie, and I will be stamping here. I'm actually gonna do it on this side. And I don't have scratch paper, but I wanted to go ahead and put this on here. Just like that to give a little contrast. And, okay, cannot see it from the side. I'll take the leaf. Put it on here. Just a little layering. Just like that. Then we're done. Move that over. Go ahead and put this on the inside of the card. No one will know that that is there. Glue it down. I forgot to bring scratch paper, but that works, didn't it? Love it. There we go. And this gets layered on those. Just like this. So you guys hear Iko barking in the background. Barks at everybody that walk past. Center best as you can. Just like that, turning it up. Oh, look, I never stamped them over here. I forgot about that. Let's do it. I gotta clean my blocks. My blocks are all dirty. Stampin' dimensionals. Put some dimensionals on here. So we did have this card in a workshop. Everybody did a good job on their cards. Peel off the backing. One more. Okay. Then just center this right on the front. Just like that. Oh, see? See, it went off a little right here. Can you see that? But that's okay. Centering this one too. And there you have it, guys. What do you guys think? Thanks again for joining me today. To order Stampin' Up! Products, please visit my website. The address is linked in the description of this video. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Come back again soon. Bye!